The Arrow credit card is a modern financial tool built for people who want to start building or rebuilding their credit with as little friction as possible. Right off the bat, the biggest advantage is how accessible it is compared to traditional credit cards. There's no hard credit check during the application process, just a soft pull that won't ding your score. Approval relies more on your income and your bank account, with a straightforward requirement that you have at least $50 in your account. That means if you've been denied by other cards due to a thin or damaged credit file, Arrow could be a real way in. Users start with a credit limit between $50 and $200, which admittedly isn't huge, but Arrow's system is designed to help responsible users grow over time, with the potential to reach limits up to $2,500 by making payments on time and engaging with Arrow's built-in financial education tools, even presented in a game-like way. You can actually unlock higher limits as a reward for good habits. That's a stark contrast to many cards that keep people with low limits stuck for years. When it comes to rewards, Arrow offers 1% cash back on gas and groceries, including stores like Walmart and Target. So while that's not groundbreaking, it's better than nothing, especially for a card targeting people with less established credit histories. The rewards are easy to use, they're automatically applied as statement credits, so there's no complicated point system to manage. Arrow's app experience is another key benefit. It comes bundled with tools for free credit monitoring, spending insights, and even an AI-powered financial coach named Arro, always available for tips and real-time answers to money questions. The education component isn't just fluff. The app offers bite-sized lessons and practical guidance for smarter credit behaviors. Plus, there's autopay, digital card access, and tracking for your rewards and progress. But there are trade-offs. The card requires a $36 annual membership fee. While that might not seem like a lot, there are alternative cards out there without this kind of fee. So it's an important cost to weigh. Though some users can get a discount for the first year based on their starting credit line. And while Arrow steers clear of hidden fees, the standard APR is on the higher end, around 25%. Even though you might lower this by engaging with the educational modules, carrying a balance on this card is still expensive. Another thing is the low starting credit limit, which can make it tough to keep your credit utilization low unless you're paying off your balance frequently. And while Arrow can help you build credit, there's no path to a more premium card within their system. So as your credit grows, you'll likely want to graduate to a card elsewhere. Lastly, as a newer fintech company, Arrow is still building its customer service track record, so some unpredictability is possible. In summary, the Arrow credit card presents a fresh way to build credit, especially for people who need a gentler approval process or just getting started with credit cards. It combines helpful education, real rewards, and practical credit-building features, reporting to all three major bureaus and offering a degree of support traditional cards often lack. Still, it's important to be aware of the membership fee, high APR, and the limited credit limit at the start. As with any tool aimed at financial improvement, the card works best for those who use it thoughtfully and pay it off each month. If used wisely, Arrow can open the door to better financial opportunities, but overspending or carrying a balance could easily wipe out the gains.